Hello everyone, I am Soumya from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from SNS College of Technology. Welcome to Unit 5 of Data Visualization, and today's topic is Meaningful Organization. In this session, we will explore how organizing data effectively can transform the dashboards from cluttered screens into clear stories that drive the decisions. Before diving in, let's quickly recap what we learned in the previous session, that is designing dashboards for usability. We discussed that usability means making the dashboard simple, consistent and easy to navigate. When users can find answers without thinking too much, we achieve the usability. That learning sets the foundation for today's focus, organizing the data meaningfully. Then, meaningful organization. So, what does meaningful organization mean? It's about arranging the information so that the user's eye naturally move from one side to the next. Instead of random charts scattered across the screen, we group, align and prioritize the content. The idea is to create the visual flow, guiding the user from overview to detail. Think of it like arranging your desk. Everything has its place, so you never waste time for searching. Problem statement. Let's meet Ria, a dashboard user. Ria finds dashboards confusing. Data scattered everywhere, too many numbers and no focus. She struggles to find the key metrics quickly. Our challenge is clear. How might we design a dashboard that helps the Ria see the insights instantly? This brings us to our design thinking approach. Empathize. We begin by understanding Ria's pain points. She is overwhelmed by clutter and craves the clarity. We observe her workflow, interview her about what information she values most, and note her frustrations. Empathy helps us step into the user's shoes before jumping into the solutions. Define. Here, we convert the insights into a problem statement. RIA needs a clear, logically structured dashboards that highlights key metrics upfront and minimize the distractions. Defining the problem ensures the entire design stays focused on user needs rather than assumptions. Ideate. Now we brainstorm the creative ideas, maybe grouping the KPIs by category, using the color coding for priority, or arranging the charts top to bottom from summary to detail. No idea is too wild here. The goal is to imagine multiple ways to make the data organization meaningful and intuitive. Prototype. We now bring our ideas to life. Create low fidelity sketches or digital mock-ups of Ria's dashboard. At this stage, it's not about perfection. It's about testing the layout, grouping, and visual hierarchy. We experiment with code layouts, grids, and alignment to check what feels the natural. Test. Finally, we tested the prototype with real users like Ria. We observe, can she find what she needs quickly? Does she interpret the data correctly? If not, we refine the organization again. Testing the turns assumptions into evidence and ensures the final dashboard truly works here. Technical depth, vertical T-shape. Let's go a bit deeper technically. A T-shaped professional combines depth and breadth. The vertical line represents the deep expertise in this case, mastering the dashboard tools, data structuring and design principles. Meaningful organization demands the depth. We must understand the data hierarchies, user flow and visualization psychology. Breadth horizontal T shape. The horizontal line of the T symbolizes the breadth, the ability to collaborate across the disciplines. A designer must also grasp the analytics, business context, and storytelling. So, meaningful organization isn't just technical, it blends the design thinking, communication, and empathy for end users. To wrap up, meaningful organization is not about decoration, it's about direction. By combining the usability principles and design thinking, we make the dashboard that speak the clearly. Thank you for listening, and remember, a meaningful dashboard is one that users understand at a glance. Thank you.